if the performance of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus slowed down. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Battery. Now if power saving mode is enabled on your tablet, just disable it. Because when this feature is enabled on your tablet will prioritize the battery life over the performance. So just disable this option. After that, just tap on Display, and from here just scroll down and tap on Motion Smoothness. Now, if your tablet is on Standard, just select Adaptive, then tap on Apply. And by doing that, you will enable 90Hz refresh rate on your tablet. Now after you've done that, then just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage. Now if the storage of your tablet is full, then just delete any data from your tablet to free up some space. Like you can delete any app which you're not using, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud, and you can delete them from your tablet to free up some space. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Memory. Now from here, just tap on Clean Now. After you clean the memory of your Galaxy Tab A9, then just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. After you enable developer options, under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Now from here, just look for the option of Running Services. Now over here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background. For example, I will select this app, then tap on Stop and select OK. And once you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. Now after you do that, then tap on the search bar and search this. Tap on Animation Scale, and from here you will find three options. Now from here, just tap on Window Animation Scale. Now if it is on 1x, just select 0.5x. Now just do the same with Transition Animation Scale. And also tap on Animator Duration Scale and select 0.5x. After you do that, then tap on Software Update. Then tap on Check for New Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet. Now after you do that, then finally just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. Now you can either do that by just pressing and holding on the power button, and after you do that, you will open the power menu on the screen. Now just select Restart to restart your tablet. But for some reason, if the power button is not working on your tablet, then just open the Control Center and tap on the power icon. And after you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Now from here, just select Restart. And after you restart your tablet, you will fix any performance slowdown issue on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.